Across Michigan are raking it in through Airbnb. The home sharing company released its first Michigan seniors report today. It says Michiganders over 60 earned $8.5 million last year, and that's not all the good news. Across the entire state, seniors are best rated hosts than any other demographic. They take care of their people, earning 5-star reviews at a 90% rate. The report says senior hosts make the most money in Detroit, where they earn $7,000 annually, but they share most often in Ann Arbor. A typical senior shares his or her home 46 days a year.